Hello. All right. So, what we're going to do today is cook a meal. And just want to show you the kind of meal that I cook at home uh, on a budget. This is not going to be a very expensive meal. I'm going to eat it over several days. I'm going to show you what I cook. I'm going to show you how I cook it. I want to say that I am not the best cook out there. My food is good and I do eat it and I don't get sick and I'm not dead, but I'm not a chef. All right. I'm not a chef. So this is going to be something that I actually make quite often here at the house. It's a lot of vegetables because I do want to show that we can still eat a lot of vegetables when we are on a budget. We can eat lots of vegetables. We can eat lots of fruits. We can still eat healthy. Now, if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Sikolo and this is the solo budget. A lot of us, we live on one income. And maybe you are like me, you don't have children and you live alone, and 100% of the bills depends on you like they depend on me. That is my reality. But maybe you are also a member of a family and your income pays for everything for everyone, or maybe there is only one person working and that income has to stretch. So that's why we are here in this community in the solo budget, so that we can all learn how to make one income stretch as much as possible without feeling deprived and also without being stressed. Now, today's video will focus on food because food is it takes a lot of our money after rent or mortgage. Food is up there. And so that's why I don't necessarily focus on food, but I do talk a lot about it. I have a video that shows how I live on $66 a month on food. And if you want to watch it, I'm going to link it somewhere here. But please do consider subscribing to the Solo Budget. What I really want is to get, advice from those who are really expert in the field. And I want us to share what we know so that we can all help the community. So please do leave your um your recipes, your tips, your advice, your wisdom, anything that you would like to share regarding um, living on one income, anything that you would like to share, leave it in the comment section. Let's just go to the kitchen. It's right behind me. Well, let's go to the kitchen and whip something up. All right, I want to show you what it looks like right now. As you can see, it shrunk down a lot. This is all the cabbage that we had earlier. I didn't add any water. I just had the lid closed on medium and it's still cooking a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now is add this spice because I'm almost done cooking, right? The cabbage is entirely cooked, and what I'm trying to do is just to warm up the mackerel. At this point, you can add any final spice that you want. If you don't want to add anything, that's fine, but I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna put this on low. Yes, it is on low, and I'm just gonna let it simmer on low for maybe 5 minutes, and that will be it. Okay, guys, here's the meal. This is what I'm eating today. We have our cabbage with mackerel in tomato sauce. And also, I have a side of carrots. I could have cooked the carrots in the cabbage, but I don't like cooked carrots. I like raw carrots. So I have a serving of raw carrots on the side, and between the cabbage and the carrots, that's quite a lot of vegetables and the protein from the mackerel. This one here, I am from Africa and I eat fufu. So this is fufu. This is semolina. But what I like with this meal is that you can pretty much eat it with anything you want. You can do like a side of rice, you can do a side of pasta, you can do bread. I don't know that I would like to eat it with bread, but definitely rice. You can even do like beans on the side, but not like a bean soup, but more like a thicker kind of beans. You can really just eat it with whatever you want. Tortillas. I mean, just in terms of carbohydrate, it is unlimited what you can eat it with. But I chose fufu because that's what I wanted to eat today. That's what I wanted to eat today. Okay, so that's the meal. So I hope you enjoy cooking with me today. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up, please. It is free, but it definitely helps my channel. Leave a comment and let me know what you cook when it's the end of the month and you are almost running out of money, and what kind of struggle meals do you make. This is a good meal for me. I don't call it a struggle meal. I am very, very happy that I get to eat that today. I believe that as long as it's well seasoned, pretty much any food will taste amazing as long as it's well seasoned, and I like it. I really just wanted to show you that you can eat veggies and you can eat fruit. By the way, my dessert today is a banana. So after I eat that, I'm also going to have a banana. So I'm very happy with today's meal. Also, there's going to be a link in the description box for you to join our community, Letters with Sikolo. Make sure you click on the link to have more information about that. I think you're really going to enjoy being part of that community. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.